almost 3 a.m. It's the boys' first day of daycare, so I am up just making sure they have everything. I'm in my closet because they're still asleep right now, obviously. So I pretty much have everything. I'm just making sure I have everything and getting a couple of last minute things together. That's Diane coughing. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and start their first day of daycare vlog. I am so nervous, more for Kaiser, because he was in daycare when I was working back in New York, but it's been a little minute since he's been out of daycare. So because daycare had a couple of things going on, so they were in and out, so it's been a while. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much almost done. I just have to get like literally one more outfit. Excuse my feet. It is what it is. It's just about 3 something now, maybe 4. I think it's like 4 in the morning. So everything's pretty much together. I packed their snack. Their juices are in the freezer, so when they do have snack time, they have a snack or whatever they want to just snack on something, they'll have it ready for them. What else? Here's their outfit for today. So yeah, so I'll have their book bags. I'll show you guys their book bags a little bit later. Oh, excuse me. Oh, goodness, so it's me. Your girl is tired. Okay, so I'll show you guys their book bags later. I just wanted to show you their outfits really quickly before I put them on or whatever. Just in case we have any meltdowns in the morning when it's time for them to get dressed or whatnot, or it just gets too busy for me to film anything. So here's just some socks. I just got them from Walmart. Here is just some cute little Pumas that I got for them. It's easier for them to slip on, and it just has the straps. I have to get them a black pair of shoes, but for now I saw these and these were cute, and these were on sale for $20. So I got them those, and they're just gonna wear them with the little tank tops under. These shirts I got here from Chosen Place for $1.99. It's just a khaki color, and I think it says Brain Power, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, but yeah, it was just cute, simple, and it was $1.99 each. And then he's just gonna wear these little dinosaur little khaki pants with it, and then the red just gives it that pop of color. Also, I didn't have anything to match this, so yeah, everything don't got to be too matchy, so they'll still look cute. Yeah, so this is what they're gonna wear, and I will show you guys once they're dressed and up and ready and bathed and stuff like that. I'll try to film as much as I can, as far as me getting them ready and, you know, prepping them for the day. So I'll see you guys once they wake up. Okay? Okay guys, so I found this sign that I bought a while back for Jeremiah's birthday, I think. Yeah. And I was getting ready to purchase one from Amazon, and I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot I had one. And it's just this box here. It's just a lighter box, customizable lighter box, and it just has all the letters here, and you can literally create anything you want or put any saying you want. This is just a sample of what it looks like. I'm talking too loud, that's Diane. And yeah, y'all, it lights up. So, how freaking cute. I'm so excited, so happy that I found this, because I wanted to put their names and all that good stuff, but I'm like, you know what, whatever, it's fine. This will do. So I was able just to put our first day of pre-K. I wanted to do Jeremiah's first day, blah, blah, but it's not enough space, so it's all good. Brush. Good. All right, toothbrush is down, water off.
Jeremiah and Kaiser. Jeremiah and Kaiser.
Say good morning. Good morning, good morning. Say good morning. Okay guys, so tonight I'm making chicken quesadillas. The boys are at daycare, so I'm gonna try to help cook dinner so when they get home everything's already done. Cairo's over here in the background playing with a brush, eating his crackers. Excuse the mess everywhere. I have to finish cleaning up, but I'm making chicken quesadillas. I have my tortilla wraps. I have some butter going on in here, so when I add my peppers and stuff like that, it's a nice little flavor to it. I'm gonna cut up some peppers, some green scallions, a red onion, and a yellow onion. This is for my guacamole. So yeah, I'm gonna get the cooking, y'all. I'm gonna do little bits and clips. Don't know if I'm gonna film the whole video of myself cooking, but I will show you guys everything once it's done. Okay.